Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set a do not disturb notification for your chats and your online status in a Mega app. So let us guide you through this. So this is slightly different from setting an away status, for example, in your own vacations or something like that. But yeah, let me show you how to do it, right? So you will need to be logged into the web application of a Mega. And for example, guys, if you click into this speech bubble button, you will see all chats here, right? So if you'd like to label your account or profile as do not disturb right now, you may do that through your account settings here in the top right. Click into settings here. Inside your settings, guys, click into contacts and chats on the left hand side. And here, as you can see, there's a show last seen auto way. And if you scroll down, you will see this enable do not disturb button. Click into it, enable it. And then this is going to allow you to mute chat notifications for a time span of 30 minutes to 24 hours or for a custom date like until tomorrow morning 8 a.m. and click into done here, and that is going to, as you can see, mute all chat notifications basically until 8 a.m. You can disable it here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.